Welcome to all of my viewers. I am going to solve the problem regarding the very important chapter, surface tension. So there are the different types of the problems in this regard. So now come to the question. Uh, Two question of the same types. So first and second question having only the difference in the given relevance data. Otherwise, the nature of questions are similar. So first, calculate the work done required to break up a drop of water of radius 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter into 8 drops of water. 8 drops of water or 8 drops of equal size of water. Drops of equal size of water. And the surface tension, the value of surface tension is given 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. So how to solve the problem? So there are the two different approach I am going to discuss. Now the first, what are the relevant data? So given that solution number one, given data capital R, radius of the bigger drop 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and number of drops n equal to 8, and the surface tension is equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. So this bigger drop of radius r breaks into 8 drops of equal size having the each of radius small r. So first of all, we have to relate a relation between the capital R, radius of drop of bigger drop, capital R, and radius of smaller drop. So initially the initial volume of bigger drop equal to final volume of the all of the drops when it is distributed or divided into the 8 equal parts. So initial volume means 4 by 3 pi RQ equal to n parts. So 8 into 4 by 3 pi RQ, and RQ 8 RQ, and therefore the relation is capital R equal to 2R. So first of all, we have to establish a relation between capital R and small r. Now calculate the work done, means work done is equal to change in area into surface tension. Change in area means radial area of the bigger drop and area of n times of area of the smaller drop. So area of bigger drop, change in area means A2 minus A1 into T. A2 means n into 4 pi r square minus 4 pi capital R square into T. And substituting the value, 4 pi n means 8 of r square minus capital R square into T. So 4 pi T and 8 into the small r is converted into the capital R. So r by 2 means r square equal to r square by 4. So here r square by 4 minus r square into 2, and simply 2r square minus r square. So a general equation is like that, 4 pi r square into t w. So this is the general equation, and now substituting the value of 4 into 3.14 from the data. capital R 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 square into value of surface tension 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. And now 5 square means 25 into 400 into 3.14 into 7.2 into 10 to the power 3 to 6, sorry, this one is the minus 2, this one is the minus 2, and 10 to the power minus 2 means 10 to the power 6 and 2 minus 8. This one 314 into 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 8, and in last work done equal to 2.26 into 10 to the power minus 5 joule. So one of the process is like that. Now the second question is very similar, only the difference is that calculate the work done required to break up a drop of water of radius 1 mm. So 5 10 to the minus 2 replaced by 1 mm and into million of drops of equal size, of same size, means n equal to 10 to the power 6, and everything almost same. So only concern of the data. Now solution, just a minute, solution number 2, दोनों क्वेश्चन ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, केवल डाटा में चेंज हो रहा है, इसलिए अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन और 2, so the radius equal to 1 mm means 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and into the million of drops means 10 to the power 6, and the value of surface tension remains same, 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. And here same process is applied again. So initial volume is equal to final volume. Initial volume is volume of bigger drop 4 by 3 pi r cube minus 4 by equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube of n drop means 10 to the power 6. So RQ equal to RQ into 10 to the power 6, and the relation like capital R equal to 100 of R. So this is the relation here, and now using the equation to find out the work done. So work done delta A into T means change in area A2 minus A1 into T, N into 4 pi r square, area of the smaller drop when the bigger drop is divided into the millions of drop or whatever with the different number like N, 800, thousands, millions and whatever. So the similar approach is applied again, and now here N equal to 10 to the power 6 into 4 pi into R. R means R by 100 square minus 4 pi R square into capital T. So now 4 pi R square is taken out, and here 10 to the power 6 or 4, so 100 minus 1 into T, and this one 3.144 equal to 4 into 3.14 equal to R. R means 10 to the power minus 3 and a square, so minus 6 into 99 into surface tension 7.2, 10 to the power minus 2, and solving all of the data, 6 and 2, 10 to the power minus 8, and here 12.56 into almost 100 into 7.2, and actually solving the value, and this it is find that the value of 8.96 approximately into 10 to the power minus 5 joule. So these are the two important questions regarding the surface tension. But my concern is that now develop a common equation. How to solve the such types of the problem? So look at again a general expression to solve such types of the problem by the single equation. So how to obtain this?